everyone, welcome to La Forêt French Class. Today we'll be learning the numbers in French. So what do you call the numbers in French? It's les nombres. Les nombres. So moving on, we'll be learning the numbers 0 to 10 in French. First, I'll tell all the numbers serially in French and then we'll repeat the entire set once again. Okay, so let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, let's repeat now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, guys. Okay, so moving on, now we'll be learning the numbers 11 to 20. Similarly, I'll be telling all the numbers once and then we'll repeat the entire set. Okay, so starting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So as you might have noticed that in the case of number 18, instead of saying 18, we say it 18. You all might know that H is a vowel in French and the word these ends with a consonant. So there is a liaison effect and it's together pronounced as 18 and not 18. Finally, you will be repeating this entire set once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is it for today, guys. Like and subscribe to La Forêt French Class for more such content. Keep learning and always stay happy. Happy French learning to all of you.